So I'm trying to start my car, my truck, and nothing. Not even the click from the starter. Been looking on YouTube, and one thing I keep hearing is try hitting the starter with a hammer. There's not one good sounding thing in that sentence. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, I think that's the starter. So I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, and there's my dog. Okay. Hopefully yeah, I don't know if I got this. I don't know if I got this shot or not, but okay. This is so stupid. Alright, let's see if beating it with a stick helps. Okay, let's see if this will work. There's my dog. Hey, Tinkle. Nothing. Stupid YouTube.